Yo, what's up everybody? It's recently 10:30 p.m. I'm in Singapore Terminal 1. I'm going to catch my flight at 2:45 at morning. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, highly recommended to watch it because you may don't catch up what's going on. I'm traveling somewhere. I have still another 2 flights. So this is part 2 of yesterday's video. I'm gonna go to the other side and I will see you from the transit area of Terminal 1, Changi Airport, Singapore. Here we go. This is the Terminal 1 of Changi Airport transit zone. I have so much time actually, but I have also some things to do. I need to edit video, what you watched yesterday, hopefully. Actually, I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it right now when I'm filming it. I'm gonna show you a little bit around and I'm gonna have a look what I can have it where I can hang out. Unfortunately, I don't have a lounge on today's occasion, but should be fine. It's around midnight. I'm transferring my files, gonna edit video in Starbucks. Everything open 24/7. Updated situation looks like this one. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, still 1.5 hours to my flight. I edited the video, but I need to save it and I have to upload, and I need to find the place where I can charge my laptop because the battery is off. You know, obviously editing is taking a lot of battery. Going to my gate, and I hope so I'm gonna find somewhere place where I can charge it. Didn't expect that so many people gonna sleep at the airport at that time. My gate is there, the D48. That's my laptop, saving. I found a socket, somebody sitting there. That's the life. Nobody said making videos and traveling in the set time on budget is easy. Nobody said like that. Situation look like this. It's nearly 2 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock actually, and I'm nearly about boarding flight to Doha by Qatar Airways. Then I have a 3 hours layover, and then you can guess where I'm going next. Probably I will show you a little bit only from the plane because it's very late flight, and then I will see you in Doha Airport. By the way, boarding from the gate 48, and this is at the edge of the Terminal 1. It's very nice, like Aka kinda lounge. Nice comfy sitting. Still uploading the video at this last minute. I hope I'm really gonna make it. And yeah, this is one of the few flights before 6 a.m. actually. This is my aircraft for today, Airbus A350 by Qatar Airways. So cool. It's been a while when I was flying with them. Boarding time. I don't know if it's late night or very early morning. I think it's nearly 3 o'clock. That's very early morning. But for me, I feel like a late night though. Boarding, brand new A350. However, a little bit slow boarding for some reason. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna depart soon. This is it. Seat 34A. Pillow. Everything. Blanket. Little bit dark. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. 2:30 actually. Full house. Yeah, I'll show you the food. I will see you in Doha basically. Anyways, it's very night flight, so that is bright outside. One good thing is that you can watch the cameras how from the front of the plane. This is actually cool. Singapore Airlines didn't have for some reason on Boeing 787, but Qatar have it. But in Qatar Airways, they serve you breakfast like this one: fruits, dessert, omelette, sausage, potato, drinks, jam, croissant, but also on the metal calderi, to compare to Singapore Airlines, the wooden one. That's actually nice. Landed in Doha. Just one more flight and I'm gonna be home. But just one more flight. I'm gonna tell you a few words about the Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways and Singapore Airways, if you watched yesterday's video, what you should They are the best airlines in the world regarding the Skytrack and in general. However, in my personal opinion, I think Qatar is slightly better, but maybe that's my personal preferences only, and maybe just on this particular occasion. Also, my opinion is regarding the economy class. Of course, business class is totally different game. Unfortunately, I couldn't fly, but one day for sure I will be able to fly business. But Qatar Airways have really cool Q suits, what they call it. And the business class actually there looks pretty decent. However, I know some of my viewers, actually quite a lot of my viewers flying a business class, so you know better what is better, Singapore Airlines, Qatar Airways, or maybe different airlines with your own personal preferences. That's the view from the airport, still in transit somewhere. I have to go to security checkpoint over there. Not too busy at morning, but it's 5:30 at morning. Like, that's the Doha airport from outside at 5:30 at morning. Very quiet though, it's very early for me especially. I've been here once many years ago and don't remember basically anything, so I'm gonna show you something. Grab some coffee, that's for sure. Nice looking, very cozy, that's for sure. Pretty decent looking airport, what I gonna tell you. I've been here only once actually. I used to fly Qatar Airways before once on the one-way ticket to Thailand many years ago, then to Malaysia, then to Bali, but it's very early morning. That's the only thing. I have a 2.5 hour layover and I'm gonna reach my final destination after an over 6 hours flight, something like this. I'm gonna just show you slightly on this airport, because anyways I'm gonna come back on the same road later after 5 weeks. So but cool, very cozy. You can shop something basically. My gate is seat 62 somewhere there. Yeah, that's nice airport in Middle East. I don't know, let me know if you ever been here or not. Have you ever used Qatar or not? Because it's cool. And that's the flights going from today's airport. Overall, the airport concept is very similar to Jewel, with this glass roof and the gardens here with the plants, and I can hear the water somewhere. So yeah, but anyways, two best airlines and two best airports, something like that, at least. Just wanted to show you a little bit what's going on else. I just can't believe it's 5:45 at morning. And that's the thing with all of those Southeast Asian flights to the other continents. They usually depart from the very strange times, mostly night ones, but at least I'm gonna arrive on my final destination at 1 p.m. as I mentioned already, so that one is cool. They have a few brands, and also they have authorized FIFA store, but this is probably because of the World Cup what was in Doha, but it's cool. Actually, I don't remember when last time I saw the authorized FIFA shop, so it's cool. Good thing is, if nothing gonna change, of course, as on the return I have a 20 hours layover and I'm gonna go visit and explore a little bit of the Doha in Qatar for a few hours at least. I'm gonna try, but let's see what's gonna change, or if something gonna change or maybe not. This is the one of the main halls, I guess. Here they also have some nice cars. That's the Porsche actually. And the big statue of something. Statue like this one. This is also the Sky Train. I think they're moving between terminals, but it's inside the building where the people walk. This one is actually cool. I would like to see the train coming, maybe later. I think one of those two, this one, or maybe this one perhaps, A330. Not sure which one is A330 from this perspective. It's my last plane for the journey to the final destination. One thing is cool, as you can get basically that closed, at least in those gates. Here they building something there. I think they develop the airport all the time, and you can have a look what's going on down there. I think maybe this one actually. Gate 62, this is where I'm departing, and overall the waiting room is very Clean, cozy, comfy. Aircon is very cool. Gonna grab some coffee. I saw Costa Cafe somewhere. So basically I arrived where is the garden, and next to it is the Costa, and just behind this is my gate. So if you just in rush, you could make it in 10 minutes maybe. By the way, in case if you are curious or not, 25 Qatar lira for the medium cappuccino, which is about 7 US, 10 Sing dollar, 11 Australian dollar, stuff like this one. Well, Middle Eastern prices, but busy anyways. I think it's already beautiful sunrise, and still that's the Bali time. I don't know what time is it actually, but like 1.5 hours there, next flight. Basically I just realized it's already more than 24 hours when I'm traveling and I'm still in Middle East, but that's the that's the journeys. However, if you're flying to London, you can take a Singapore Airlines direct flight, which is cool. But if you go to London or New York perhaps, last flight today by the Airbus A330. The airport is actually very huge.
For customers who have to join us, welcome on board Qatar Airways, member of the Oneworld Alliance. After you have found your seat, please in the washroom. Thank you. Cabin crew or customers on board.
We are not the ones to blame. We were tired of playing games, no wonder. I know we had our ups and downs, always thought we got around stronger. But we were drifting more apart, and it's tearing up my heart in pieces. 'Cause what we had was long ago. All I know is how it slowly ceases. It ceases in the arms of a stranger, a compelling pretender. We were walking on wire, like a moth to a fire, pulling closer to danger. A stranger. I've been trying to figure out what we really were about together. We lived in different universes, empty promises for worse or better. The challenges of me and you, what's the point of trying to unravel?
Officially I landed in Warsaw, Poland after 7.5 years. Waiting for my bags, and I just see they advertise Vietnam here, exotica, which mean like exotic, and then there is the one of the big agents here, advertise Cuba, Mexico, Dominicana Island, Venezuela, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Kenya, Gambia, Jordania and UAE. But no Bali for some reason. Beautiful, but this is only Thailand, and I think it's in Mexico. So I think Polish people don't travel to Bali for some reason though. Okay, my bags actually arrived. That's how I travel to Europe basically. Ladies and gentlemen, this is official. I just arrived officially to Poland, to Warsaw. I'm in the international terminal in Warsaw. This is the Renaissance Hotel. It's been already 36 hours of journey. Now I have to waiting for my rental car, and I have a 300 maybe 400 kilometers to go home where my parents are living. That's already 36-hour journey, and another probably 3-4 to go. But so happy as I arrived after over 7.5 years to Poland. I hope so you watch till this moment. Alright guys, just got my car, just pull over outside the Warsaw first gas station. Just gonna hang out a little bit, relax, call my family, call Sayang if she didn't sleep yet. And I would like to end up this video today somewhere here, due to it was very long journey actually. Tomorrow will be the first day from Poland. Obviously I'm gonna see my family I have around 350 kilometers drive, which is around 3.5 hour drive, which is pretty normal. And yeah, and this is the first view. We have a big gas stations as well with the McDonald's and everything. So it's like, you know, a first world country, obviously. Actually, I think it is. Oh, people driving fast. This is it. Maybe I'm gonna have a drink in Macas, actually. Why not? Or maybe ice cream. And then I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for following my journey till this moment. Let me know if you watch till the end, and I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully I can make a video edit and everything. See ya, take care.